everyone, this is Mother Prithvi and welcome to my kinda lifestyle. Today's topic is going to be about cleaning hacks of refrigerator. And here I'm going to share with you guys my pressureless cleaning, DIY cleaning stuff that I've used, which is prepared at home. And trust me, at the end of this cleaning, your refrigerator is going to smell awesome. So the first step here is just take everything out of your fridge. Oh yeah, don't have any dilemma over here whether to have things that you want or whether you want to throw some stuff out. You can just come to that point later. Just simply go ahead and take everything out. Now once you have removed all the things out of your fridge, you can go ahead and remove all the extra shelves which are removable for you. So this is how my refrigerator looks after taking out all the things. It's like quite messy. I'm being totally real here. I'm not hiding anything. So let's go ahead and start the exact cleaning process. So here you can see this is my DIY cleaning spray, which works super awesome, which gives super essence. I have just mixed about 1/4 teaspoon of dishwash and baking powder in a half a cup of water. And then you will need an old toothbrush, a microfiber cloth, and a reusable sponge cloth. Now your very first step is to go ahead and spray all over your refrigerator. Just leave it for about like 1 minute and then you can proceed on with your second step. Now let me tell you the real 3 uses of this DIY spray. Number 1, it just takes out all the bacteria. It kills away all the bacteria. Number 2, it's gonna take away all that stubborn stains which you get out of your ketchup or sauces or whatever. And number 3, it's gonna take away all that bad odor and it's gonna leave you a good essence. Step number 2, take the toothbrush and just go ahead and give a scrub all over your refrigerator wherever you feel tough stains are. Don't worry, no scratches are going to happen. The toothbrush is going to be really gentle. You don't even need to put a lot of pressure. You can just simply take out all the stains away from it. This is the advantage of the toothbrush, where you can feel cleaning this part a little bit difficult with the cloth because it has up and downs, whereas brush just gets deep into it and cleans it perfectly, which I loved it. You guys should really try this trick and let me know how simple it makes it to clean. number 3, I'm taking the reusable sponge cloth, just made it wet, and then I'm going ahead and cleaning everything with the use of that sponge cloth. This sponge cloth is really helpful because cloth, you can just imagine, you can use it like 4 to 5 times, not more than that. Your cloth gets dirty, but this reusable cloth, you can always wash it, use n number of times, and I feel this adds value to the cleaning. Do you guys think this entire cleaning process took me so long? Of course not. The toothbrush trick, which gives me so much of time saving, and I just completed the whole cleaning in about like 15 minutes once I took all the things out. It's that easy. If you use this spray along with this toothbrush, it just makes your work simple and time saving. Please go ahead and try this. And yeah, here I've done all my cleaning, and yes, I forgot to show here, I did use the microfiber cloth and just wiped out all the wetness throughout the refrigerator. I just completely wiped it off, and then I started placing things back again into my fridge. I'm not concentrating much on how I arrange things here because my agenda is to show the cleaning tricks of the refrigerator. I hope I have conveyed my cleaning tricks which I use to you guys. I hope those tricks are going to be really helpful to you. If you all want to see how I arrange and how I place everything in my refrigerator, then please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make a video for you, and also do let me know what video you want to see next so that I will do that for you guys. So yeah, this is all about today's video. Just simple 3 steps and your work is poof, done. Okay guys, I hope this video really motivated you, and I'll see you soon with another new video. Until then, take care, bye bye. This is Mother Prithvi signing off. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you do like this video, and subscribe for more such videos.